Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to take multiple photos on your iPhone. I'm on my iPhone here and I'm just going to take 3 normal pictures just by pressing the photo button. But if you want to take multiple photos, just keep your thumb on it. This is really useful for capturing fast moving images. And there's 2 ways of selecting the photos that you want to keep, and I'll show you the first one now. If I go into the photo album on my iPhone, you can see the 3 photos that I took here. And this one is a burst photo, and you can see that because it's got the multiple lines at the top of the photo. So if I select that one, it says that we've got a burst photo, which is 56 photos. Press the select at the top, and then you can use your finger to scroll left or right, and you can basically select as many photos as you want. So I'm just going to pick the ones that I want to keep. There's one there, and another one, and then one more. Once you're happy with those 3 photos, click on Done, and now I'm going to click on Keep Everything. Now what that does is that stores those 3 separate photos that you selected as separate photos, but it also keeps the burst version, so you can also go back and select any more if you need to. Now the second way to do it, I'll show you now. So if I just do some more burst photos, and I've taken 130 there. Go into the photos, select the burst option, 130. I'm just going to select 3 of the photos that I want from this selection. Not so sure about that werewolf cat shaped tree staring down at me. Once you're happy, click on Done, and then this time I'm going to select keep only the 3 favourites. Now what that does is that deletes the burst version and only keeps the 3 photos that you want. Time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.